Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best bat blouse out there. The Vivicastle Women's Loose Batwing Dolman Poncho Tunic Dress Top. If you love versatile, comfortable, and stylish pieces, this one deserves your attention. First off, the design is what really sets this piece apart. The loose batwing dolman sleeves create a dramatic yet relaxed silhouette that flatters a variety of body types. It's oversized and flows beautifully, making it perfect either as a tunic top or a casual dress. The poncho style adds a touch of boho chic, while still being simple enough to dress up or down. The fabric is a blend of 95% rayon and 5% spandex, giving it a lightweight, stretchy feel that drapes effortlessly. This means it's breathable and comfortable enough for all-day wear but also maintains enough stretch to keep its shape. Plus, it's machine washable, which makes it super easy to care for and maintain. When it comes to sizing, this product comes in one size designed to fit a wide range of shapes thanks to its generous cut and draping. The laid flat measurements are about 27 inches at the high point and 40 inches at the low point, so you get that beautiful length variation that works great as either a top or dress. Made in the USA, this piece also supports small business, which is always a nice bonus for those who want to shop thoughtfully. The weight is light, just about 1 pound, so it's easy to pack for travel or to throw on for a quick, stylish look. The overall vibe of this blouse is relaxed yet elegant. Whether paired with jeans, leggings, or worn solo as a dress, it lends itself well to casual outings, brunch dates, or even beach cover-ups. The black color option gives it versatility and sophistication that fits into almost any wardrobe. While the design is loose and flowy, the quality of the fabric ensures it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. It has a soft hand feel that adds to the overall comfort. The poncho tunic is perfect for layering as well, making it an excellent transitional piece between seasons. If you're searching for a unique, easy-to-wear top or dress with that perfect blend of comfort and style, the Vivicastle Women's Loose Batwing Dolman Poncho Tunic Dress Top is an excellent choice. It's truly the best bat blouse for those who value fashion with freedom of movement and effortless style. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest products. See you next time.